How do you deal with your partner snoring? My husband snores like a freight train. I tried everything to get him to stop, but nothing worked. I was losing sleep and getting cranky. One night, I had enough. I grabbed a pillow and smothered his face with it. He woke up gasping for air and asked me what the hell I was doing. I told him I was trying to kill him because he wouldn't stop snoring. He laughed and said, "Good luck with that." Then he rolled over and went back to sleep. I was furious. I decided to teach him a lesson. I waited until he was in a deep sleep and then I started snoring as loud as I could. He woke up and asked me what the hell I was doing. I told him I was giving him a taste of his own medicine. He laughed and said, "You sound like a dying walrus." I kept snoring and he couldn't fall back asleep. He begged me to stop, but I wouldn't. He ended up sleeping on the couch. The next morning, he apologized and said he would do anything to make it up to me. I told him he had to wear a snoring mask every night. He agreed and we both got a good night's sleep.